Alright, sup everyone. So today we're gonna go a bit of a different route than what we normally do. So we've been doing drum and bass for a little bit now, so I think we're gonna go for some techno here. So yeah, let's fucking get started, I guess. So 128, I think we're gonna go here. Not 130, I think. We'll go the classic 128 here. And yeah, see where it takes us. Fuck yeah. So I think I'm gonna start off just kinda hunting here for some nice techno kicks, because that's basically the main element in a techno beat, the kick. So you got to have a relatively cool kick. So I got a bunch of different things just to kind of play around with in here. So I got like a few different kind of kicks. Test out this percussion. Maybe this sounds a little bit better. I think I'm going to layer something like this on it here and just kind of, a different group. Just slowly kind of just adding layers here. Cool. So I think I'm going to go kind of like some old style. Maybe we'll get some fucking like acid bass lines in here, as well as some like cool ass like sustain things. We'll fucking try that out. Just kind of big. Yeah, now we're getting somewhere. This is how the fuck we roll. Oh yeah. Maybe I'll start off with like some fucking noise or something. That's pretty fucking neat. Cool. I'm liking that. An all good kind of. Oh, I should probably fucking save this. Holy shit. Ooh, it's a close one. Industrial tech. No. 128. Alright, cool. Fuck your temp files. Then we'll just get like one for like the fucking response to whatever this first one's saying. Okay, shut the fuck up. God damn. Sound cool. I guess some more different.
One.
Alright, yeah, this is sounding sick as fuck. I like it. Alright, fantastic. So, yeah, we just finished up this track. It's kind of more of an industrial, techno-y track, but it's interesting. There's interesting elements in there. So, yeah, I'm probably just gonna, throw a fucking master on there as per usual. Crank it up and play it for you now. Hope you enjoyed. And, yeah, this is, my little techno tune. Fuck yeah.